Chasing rainbows, understanding the idiom. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the colorful expression, chasing rainbows. This phrase is not just about weather or nature, but it's a fascinating part of the English language, full of meaning and imagery. Let's explore what it means to chase rainbows and how you can use this expression in your everyday conversations. The phrase, chasing rainbows, is an idiom. Idioms are expressions whose meanings are not predictable from the usual meanings of their constituent elements. When someone is said to be chasing rainbows, they are pursuing dreams or goals that are unrealistic, unattainable, or highly speculative. It's like trying to reach the end of a rainbow in the hope of finding a pot of gold. It's a beautiful pursuit but ultimately impossible. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us appreciate its usage. The concept of chasing rainbows comes from the old folklore that a pot of gold can be found at the end of a rainbow. Of course, rainbows are optical phenomena that don't have a physical endpoint, so the treasure is impossible to find. This folklore beautifully encapsulates the idea of striving for something that is an illusion or a fantasy. Now, let's see how to use chasing rainbows in everyday conversations. Here are a few examples. 1. Jim spends all his time trying to invent a way to time travel. I think he's just chasing rainbows. 2. Investing in that shaky startup is like chasing rainbows. You should be more realistic with your money. 3. She's been chasing rainbows all her life, always looking for happiness where it's not to be found. Notice how the phrase paints a picture of effort directed towards something fanciful or unattainable. It's important to dream and have ambitions, but it's also crucial to be realistic. To avoid chasing rainbows, one should set achievable goals, assess the realism of one's ambitions periodically, seek advice from trusted friends or mentors to ensure you're on a practical path. Chasing rainbows is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of human nature and our tendency to dream big, sometimes beyond the bounds of reality. We hope this exploration of the idiom has been enlightening and adds color to your English conversations. Keep learning, stay realistic, and maybe, just occasionally, chase a rainbow or two when the time is right. See you in the next video.